Welcome back to meta-analysis and meta-regression step by step. So in this series we are on the third part. So just a quick recap. First one, we talk about how to calculate the effect size in hedges Z and cones T. Part 2, so what information that you need to put in the Excel file. So basically what information that you need from R to add to your Excel file. So I'm gonna put in the description the links for these two. Make sure to watch these two because if you watch them, it's gonna be easy to learn about each part and why we do this step by step. So you're gonna get a better understanding of how to do a meta-analysis and meta-regression in R. So what's the third part in meta-analysis? What's the third step you need to take? So the third step is to define the variables. And how to define the variables? So I'm gonna go copy this one, go down, and I'm gonna define the variables that I need to calculate. So basically there are common symbols that you use. For example, for effect size for hedges G or cones D, usually the variable they want to assess, they're called Y, I, and then to store the hedges G, they would do basically shift. I think no, just click on bigger than. Yeah, I was right first time. So shift and bigger than, and then the minus, and then code the hedges Z as it is in the Excel file. So basically in my Excel file, it's like this. I'm just gonna copy it because it's gonna take it like this one, and I'm gonna do. So you might ask why I don't write hedges Z like this. I don't know why. I think R read it better when it's like this symbol. It knows it's the effect size. And then what's the symbol for variance? It's VI. Again, shift bigger than, and the minus. Simple, and I would go and copy it as it is in the Excel file because it's gonna draw the information from Excel file, and then Control V. For standard deviation, I don't know why the community uses often this for the standard deviation. So I would go and copy it as it is from the Excel file, and pay attention that you don't leave a space between words because it's gonna be hard for R to understand what you're doing. So when we code later, so we know when we see this one, YI, it means it is hedges G. VI, it's the variance. SEI, it's the standard error. So we are done with the third step, and to be able to watch the fourth step, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that one. Thank you for watching, and see you in another tutorial.